Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be going over how to connect your Instagram page to your Facebook page, or how to connect your Instagram business page to your Facebook business page. Now, some of the reasons that you may want to do this is so that when you post on Instagram, you can automatically share it to your Facebook without having to post on Instagram and then making a separate post for Facebook. Another good perk of this is the fact that you can enable Instagram ads. So in order for you to have Instagram ads to promote any of your pictures or create any new ads, you do have to have it connected to a business Facebook page. And so that's another good perk about connecting your pages together. Another good perk is because I'm going to be making a video, on how to integrate your Instagram account with your Shopify account. I've made a video on how to integrate your Facebook account with Shopify. So if you are interested in learning more about integration and how to potentially gain more sales for your business, I would recommend that you subscribe to this channel. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get right into the video. So I do want to say this. One of the perks in integrating your Instagram with Shopify is the fact that you can sell through Instagram. So you may have seen some Instagram business accounts where you can click like a shop button at the bottom of their profile and actually go right over to their website. This is different than just having the link displayed in your bio, but there's actually like a shop button, or like a kind of like a pop-up that you can click in order to continue to shop. Just like on Facebook, if you haven't watched that Facebook video, take a look at my business playlist, and just check through there, and I do have videos on that. But just like with integrating your Facebook to your Shopify, where your customers actually have an option to click shop, and all the analytics go right through your Shopify account, as well as it puts everything together for you. It just makes your experience a lot more seamless, in my opinion. So one of the reasons that I decided to do this video is because I know a lot of people are visual. So although you can probably just go ahead and research how to integrate your account and, just read the instructions step by step, I do want to bring a visual kind of like visual guide or tutorial or step-by-step to you all. Now, also in this video, I am going to be showing you the directions like step-by-step. So if you find any time during this video you're okay with just the directions and you don't want to see the visual, feel free to continue on, just with the instructions. But I am going to be going over some more information as far as if you do get an error when you attempt to do this, what you should do to go around the error and things you can look out for. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your business Facebook page and click on More. When you click on More, you are going to see a screen like this, and I am doing this from my cell phone. And as you can see, it just gives you a couple different options and different places to go to. So we went ahead and clicked on Settings. Now on this page, you want to click Instagram. And at this point, I did have my Instagram and Facebook connected before. And so I believe this, this is why it automatically populated. But it goes over information as far as connecting your Instagram to your Facebook. I went ahead and clicked on Learn More. When you click on Learn More, you'll get a page like this. It just goes over more information and more benefits as far as connecting your pages together. So I'm going to keep it on the screen for just a little while longer so that you can kind of see some of the benefits. A lot of the benefits we already touched over in the beginning of the video, but I do want to lay a visual, on the screen as well. Now, I really can't remember why I disconnected my Facebook from my Instagram. I did go a year without using any paid ads. So I really didn't really have a want or a need for them being connected. I mean, it would have made some of my posting a little bit more seamless, because I wouldn't have to post one thing on Instagram and then go back and post the same thing on Facebook. But besides that, I really didn't see it. It wasn't a need at that point. But I am wanting to get into adding a Instagram channel through my Shopify account. I want to try it and see how it works. I know the Facebook channel works really, really well. And I like the fact that I can look at my analytics and see the orders that have come directly from Facebook. And that's really, really good to have an e-commerce site where you can see analytics. So if you have not switched over to Shopify, click the link down below this video, choose a plan that works well for you and your business, and there may even be a free trial. I do also want to point out that you can disconnect your Facebook and Instagram pages at any time if you decide to. But what I was going to say is I like the fact that you can see all of your analytics through your Shopify account when you connect your Facebook or your Instagram. So I like the fact that I can see how many people have actually purchased their products from my Facebook page. Sometimes as a business account, you may not get tons and tons and tons of likes. I've looked at some other business accounts too on Facebook and just noticed that there's kind of like a trend. A lot of businesses don't get tons of likes on Facebook. Now, some do. This is not a rule of thumb for everyone. I'm just saying it's not everyone that gets all the likes. So it's really encouraging, in my opinion, to be able to see that, okay, even though I'm not necessarily getting likes on my Facebook, I'm still generating orders for my Facebook. I'm still generating traffic from Facebook. People are still seeing my posts. You know what I mean? So diving in your analytics can really help to keep you motivated and aware of the full picture, not just focusing on a specific portion of your social media. So if you do want to go ahead and just follow the instructions and connect it without watching the walkthrough completely, then you can go ahead and type that little icon in the top right of your page, click on Edit Page, Settings, Instagram, and tap Connect Account. You will see a page similar to this that pops up, and at the bottom you have an option to go ahead and connect your account. Now, my Bad Chick Hair Instagram page pops up, and I have an option to go ahead and click that blue button to connect to Bad Chick Hair. Now, when I was playing around with Facebook earlier yesterday, I did get an error initially. I forgot what the error said, but it wouldn't allow me to connect my Instagram to my business Facebook. And I checked everything. I went back to Instagram and I said, hey, let me make sure that my Instagram page is actually a business page. And it was. Let me make sure that my Facebook page is actually a business page. It was. Let me make sure, everything's fine. I don't think I had any violations or anything, like that. So what I decided to do was go over to Instagram. And in your Instagram settings, you have the option to switch your business account to personal and then switch it back. So what I had to do to kind of refresh the settings is I went to Instagram, went into settings, I scrolled down and clicked switch from business to personal. I accepted that. And then I waited like a minute and I went back in and I switched the personal account back to business. Once I did that, I gave it about another minute to just like refresh. I went back to Facebook and I followed these steps. Followed the steps that we just went over. So again, that's the steps where I clicked on the more. I went to the edit page, settings, Instagram, connect accounts. And then I was able to have my accounts connected. Now, if you do want to try the Instagram, I don't want to say marketing. I don't think it's marketing, but the Instagram sales channel with me, as far as adding Instagram as an option, or, adding that shop option to your Instagram account and tracking your analytics through Shopify, then make sure that you are subscribed and turn your post notifications on. You do want to make sure that you are following this step because you do have to have your accounts connected before you can continue this process in Shopify. I was initially going to go ahead when I was in my Shopify account, I clicked on connect my Instagram so that I can have, the Instagram as a sales channel, just like I have Facebook. But it told me that I needed to connect the accounts together. And that's actually how I remembered that my accounts were not connected. So this is the first step in making sure that we can have an Instagram sales channel through our Shopify account. So I really hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.